Turn it around so I can see what it is. Brooklyn, what are you making?
Sandwich maker.
This is your new toy?
Yeah.
You gonna show everybody what it is?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? This is by what? Melissa and Doug, right? It's a 56-piece wooden set.
Where's the cup? Where's the cup?
Go over here.
A toy maker.
Okay, we have to set it up, okay? Let me show you.
See what I give them my card.
Is it a lot? Let me see. Show me. Wow, you have so much money. Do you have a register?
Uh-huh.
She's so worried about the money.
Toy maker.
But what is it? What do you have? What is this?
It's food.
Okay, what is this? Here.
We have all the stuff so you can eat.
First, you have to cut the roll, and then you have to slice your meat and your cheese, and then you stack all your toppings, and you even get to wrap it all up. Look at that. So I get to order. Daddy, come order your sandwich. So it's like being in Subway and Brooklyn's the worker.
I would like a turkey sandwich with Swiss cheese, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, and mustard.
Okay.
Do you remember everything Daddy said he wanted? Get the bread out with these. Oh, put the bread right here.
I want Swiss cheese.
He wants Swiss cheese.
Swiss cheese. Yeah.
Slice the cheese.
Oh.
Oh, good job. Push. This is one hard slicer. Working out at your job, huh? So cute. Oh, she put it on the sandwich.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I would like mustard also.
Right here.
Oh man, I saw some pickles. I want pickles on there too.
It's still come on.
That's mustard.
That's mustard.
It's still come on.
Pickles.
Close it.
Thank you, Brooklyn.
Oh.
Oh, my lemonade. I want some lemonade.
Is all this free? I see Daddy still got so much money in his hand.
How much?
Okay, that's good. A lot. A lot.
How much is the sandwich and cookies?
Drinks are $1.
6 and 7 and 9.
6, 7, and 9.
Daddy, you got 6, 7, and 9?
6 and 7 is 13. Plus 9 is $22. This is a very expensive lunch. It's 20.
Here's a card.
Thank you. I get a punch. I buy 10 and I get one for free.
Okay.
Here's $22. Here's your tip. This is for you.
Oh.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Wow,
Let me
look
get
at
my
this
drink.
sandwich.
Thank you.
Specialty? Ooh, Brooklyn. What's the name of this shop?
So full.
It is.
Wow, look at that. What's the name
I
of your
gotta
sandwich?
come back to Brooklyn's place.
Shop.
Brooklyn shop?
Brooklyn shop.
You gotta tell everybody.
Oh my goodness.
That looks so good.
Oh my goodness.
Aw.
Thank you so much, Brooklyn.
This is the best sandwich I've ever seen.
Oh, this cookie looks great.
With your dust mite onions.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, I get.
Is the tongs in your mouth?
You gotta wash them. Ouch.
Bye.
Thank you.
She said, put them on you.
Oh man, I could have got chips instead.
Could have got some veggie chips.
You can't have that because that is money.
How much?
They're not for sale?
It's like
Good chips.
Good chips.
but it costs like
How much?
it's like
$2, $1, how much?
$2.
Wow, you're gonna turn them into little crumbs.
Oh,
I got a
wow.
deal. Brooklyn came up today.
The Kimura special.
No, I'm special.
Oh. Can I have the Brooklyn special? Daddy's paying for it for me. I'll
Now customers can't make it, only this.
Oh, okay.
Here's the change for Mom.
Oh, I get the change? Oh, yes. Thank you so much.
Here's some turkey.
Oh.
Where's the knife for?
Whoa, the cheese flies on the Brooklyn special.
That's a big.
Which that bread looks like. Put it right here. Yeah, learning the machine.
Fly.
Oh. 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 Can I have extra lettuce though, please? Thank you.
Thank
On it too.
Oh, man.
Oh, the Brooklyn special is really special. Oh.
Much mayonnaise.
Oh, I'm gonna pour oil and vinegar. I want extra. Can I have extra? More. 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 Wait, a little bit more. Just a little bit. Okay,
You
thank
gotta
you.
charge her extra.
Put it right here. It's so big and special, it doesn't fit in the wrapper. This looks delicious. Kind of thirsty though, but
Drink. That's a nice one.
cut the bread.
We don't have bread.
Wait, I got one more bite. That was so delicious. Thank you guys so much. I already had two. We can get a few more and get one free. Thank you so much for my meal. I loved it. Daddy, did you like yours?
I really did. I'm gonna come back and get another one tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna come back tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you close. See you on the next video.
See you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, Brooklyn.